Okay, let's do Miss Nelson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. What case are you here on?
I'm here on Kerion Williams. He might be the Samsung device. He said he was logged on.
I'm bringing him out the waiting room now.
Thank you.
Okay, we're ready on Williams. Madam Clerk, we're ready on Kerion Williams.
Yes, how you doing?
Okay, sir, hang on.
Calling case number 240-56238, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kerion Williams. Defendant is being charged with count 1, home invasion, first degree. Count 2, malicious destruction of building, $200 or but less than $1,000. Today is debate for probable cause. Counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sophia Nelson of Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Mr. Williams, P77960. Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record?
Kyron Williams.
What's your pleasure, counsel?
I'd like to set this matter for a preliminary exam, Your Honor. I would note that I have yet to see any digital discovery. And my understanding is that includes not just body-worn camera in this case, but ring footage from the complainant's home.
I'll send you
Madam
discovery.
Clerk.
Yes.
Madam Clerk, do I have next Wednesday? What's next Wednesday's date?
That is March 27th.
March 27th. Do I have anything scheduled at 9 o'clock?
Yes, you do.
Your Honor, I'm not
9:15.
available on the 27th.
I'm sorry, counsel.
I'm not available on the 27th, the next Wednesday.
The next date, Judge, you have one on the 28th.
No, the 28th. Isn't that Good Friday?
No, that's on the 29th.
No, the 28th is my homicide day then.
Okay.
Can't do Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Okay.
So the following Monday, do I have anything available on that following Monday at 9 o'clock?
On Monday, you just have 10 o'clock.
Okay. What about 9 o'clock, Ms. Nelson?
I can do 9 a.m., but she said 10 a.m. on the 1st. I can do 10 a.m.
No, she said I have a 10 o'clock a.m.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I can do 9 a.m. on April 1st.
Okay.
All right. Fill that in for me, Madam Clerk. 9 o'clock, April 1st. Bond will be continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, next up, let's have Ms. McCoy.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Juwan Washington. I have discovery. I don't know. Did he zoom in or?
No.
No, yeah.
I did put. I'm sorry.
No, yeah.
I'm sorry, Judge. What is the name, counsel?
Juwan Washington. I put it in the chat too. No.
Okay. Let me see if I see them.
On Washington. He's in the old jail.
He's in the jail. Okay. Oh.
Okay. Could I be put in a breakout room with him briefly?
He's not in here yet, is he? I don't think we have Mr. Washington.
Oh, okay. Well, do you know, is he going to be brought over or should we just set an exam date and I can go do a jail visit?
We can do that.
Okay.
Okay, let's call Washington.
Calling case number 240-56228, the people of the state of Michigan versus Juan Washington. Defendant is being charged with count 1, home invasion, first degree, count 2, weapons felony firearm, pneumatic gun, count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 4, police officer assaulting, resisting, or obstructing, count 5, malicious destruction of personal property, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. Today is the date and time for a probable cause hearing. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robin McCoy, P63057, on behalf of Mr. Jawan Washington, who I understand is in the old jail. I do have the discovery, paper discovery. We'll be requesting an exam, and as I indicated off the record, I will set up a visit with him to see if he, still wants to go forward with the exam.
Okay. The court will continue the plea of not guilty. We'll set this matter for preliminary examination. How is next Wednesday so he's in custody right now. So what times do I have at 10 o'clock and after, Madam Clerk?
You have a 1:30, 2:30, and you do have a 12 o'clock also, Judge.
I'm asking what times don't I have? What times aren't taken? Do I have a 10 o'clock scheduled?
You do, Judge. That's taken. I believe you have a 10:45 available.
10:45? Okay.
Yeah, I have some matters. You don't have anything that because I have some stuff at Frank Murphy, 3 matters. Do you have anything on the 26th, like at 10?
What day of the week is that?
Tuesday?
No, I can't do Tuesdays and Thursdays unless it's a homicide.
Oh, okay. Do you have anything? Gosh, because I have a 12 o'clock. Can we do maybe 9:30 on Wednesday?
And Judge, I'm sorry, this is APA Dina Lynch's case.
Yeah.
So I want to make sure that the date and time is good for her. Sorry about that.
Ms. Lynch, are you still here?
I am, Your Honor. Dina Lynch on
Your
behalf of the
appearance
people.
for the record, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Dina Lynch on behalf of the people, P84589. And Your Honor, I would be available on the 25th, which is a Monday. Would that work for the defense counsel?
Yes, it would.
Your Honor, do you have
The
anything on the
25th?
25th, which is Monday?
That's not, you do realize that's this coming Monday and you're gonna have only 3 days to get your witness present, right?
Sure. Wednesday, or that following week on the 3rd of April would work as well for the people.
I could do the 3rd. Okay, yeah, because the court said when I could do, yeah.
No, wait a minute. You guys are getting ahead of yourselves.
Oh, sorry.
Does next Wednesday work for you?
I would have to do it later in the around noon. I have a case in the morning at Frank Murphy.
Can the court, well, I had a 12 o'clock appointment, but I could try to reschedule it at noon if we do noon.
Madam Clerk, am I available at noon?
Yes, you are available.
Is that the day I have the the defendant that has 4 cases?
I can take a look, Judge. 1 moment. Yes, Judge, I believe that is that day.
And what time are the 4 cases scheduled for?
If I'm looking at the correct cases, I believe they were set for probable causes.
No, set for exam.
Okay.
It should be right there on my calendar.
9:15 10 o'clock
No.
and 10:30.
No, that's not it. You say I do have a slot for 12 o'clock?
Yes, you do.
All right, Ms. McCoy, does that work?
Yeah, I'll make it work. Yep, 12 o'clock.
Okay. 12 o'clock, final be continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hope you all have a good weekend.
All right. Mr. Riggins, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here
What can I do for you?
I'm here on Troy Bill.
Okay.
Your Honor, Mr. Bell is present here in the courtroom.
Okay. We can call it.
Okay. Calling case number 1605778, the people of the state of Michigan versus Troy Bell. Defendant is being charged with count 1, assault by strangulation, count 2, domestic violence. Today is the date and time for a probable cause. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Neighborhood Defender Services by Ken Riggins, P82125, on behalf of Mr. Troy Bill.
All right. What's your pleasure, Mr. Riggins?
Your Honor, I have the paper discovery in this matter. This is a matter that needs to be set for a preliminary examination.
Okay. Let's go back to Wednesday, Madam Clerk. What
Okay.
times do I have available?
1:30 and 2:30 appears to be open.
Do I have anything scheduled at 12:15?
No, you don't.
Mr. Riggins, 12:15?
On the 27th,
Yes, sir.
that's fine, Your Honor.
All right. 12:15. Thank you. Final be continued. Ms. Satawa, good morning. Ms. Satawa, are you there?
Yes, good morning, Judge. I have Mr. Titus. We have a motion up this morning.
Mr. Toussaint, are you there?
I am, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for
Hey,
you?
good morning, Judge. I'm here on Mr. Vincent Lewis. I'm standing in for Allison Fulmar.
Okay, I'm bringing Mr. Lewis out the waiting room.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, we're ready on Lewis.
Okay. I'm sorry, Judge. Which defendant
Vincent
are we?
Lewis.
Okay.
Lots of accidents out here.
Fortunately, it is, Judge.
People forget how to drive in the snow.
I know.
Judge, I'm trying to leave so I don't have to drive in the snow anymore.
You can't leave me, Vince. I'm sorry.
Judge, I got 4 years and 10 months and I'm done.
No, sir. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. No.
Okay, party's ready on Lewis. Calling case number 240-55668, the people of the state of Michigan versus Vincent Lewis. Defendant is being charged with count 1 and 2, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, person under 13, defendant 17 years of age or older. Today is the date and time for examination. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Aaron Wilmeth, P82085, appearing on behalf of the people.
And Judge, may it please this most honorable court, Vincent J. Toussaint, 58609 on behalf of Mr. Vincent Lewis. Mr. Lewis, could you please stop moving around and get in front of the screen? Standing in for his attorney of record, Ms. Allison Fulmar, and that's what Mr. Lewis is
Your name for the record?
Mr. Lewis, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
Give your name for the record.
Tell us your name.
Vincent Lewis.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Toussaint?
Your Honor, I spoke with Ms. Fulmar, who's indicated she spoke with Mr. Lewis. At this point in time, Mr. Lewis will be waiving his right to his preliminary examination, understanding that at this point in time, the people will not have to show probable cause that Mr. Lewis committed the crime in the County of Wayne City of Detroit, and this case will be moving forward to the Third Circuit Court for further proceedings.
All right, Mr. Lewis, please raise your right hand, sir. Does he have his camera on? Because I can't see him.
He does, Judge.
He
Oh,
does.
I see him. I see him. Sir, you understand you have a statutory right to, I'm sorry, you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You can put your hand down. You understand you have a statutory right to have a preliminary examination. By waiving the same, that means you won't have one, and you'll be bound over to Wayne County Third Circuit Court as you stand charged in the complaint and warrant. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
You understand the nature and the purpose of a preliminary examination?
Yes, sir.
You understand if you were to have one, the prosecution would have to establish that the crime you're charged with was committed in the city of Detroit and that there's probable cause to believe you committed it?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone forcing you to waive your right?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything?
No.
Are you waiving your right freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Any objection from the people?
No objection from the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
The court finds defendant's waiver is made knowingly and voluntarily freely given. The court will therefore bind the defendant over to Wayne County Third Circuit Court Criminal Division for further proceedings. His arraignment on the information date and time will be April 5th, 2024 at 9:00 a.m. Bond will be continued.
Judge, thank you very much. Good to see everyone. Stay safe and stay well.
Thank you. You as well, Mr. Toussaint. Take care now.
Thank you, Your Honor. Everyone have a nice day.
You too.
Your Honor, this
Okay,
is
Madam.
Lisa Kirsch.
I'm sorry.
This is Lisa Kirsch Satawa. I couldn't unmute fast enough before. And so
Hold on a
I just
second.
wanted to tell you
Hold on.
that I am.
Give me 5 minutes. I'm walking in now. Give me 5 minutes, guys. I'm walking in.
Okay, Judge.
Okay, I see. So when he come in.
Man, I finally made it. Have a good one. Yes, sir. Hey, how you doing? Morning. Good morning, good morning. Oh, you guys can hear me.